What's up mga kabites? It's your resident biter Riri Bites. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here at Harlan and Holden's newest branch here sa BGC. It looks like a mushroom. I've always wanted to vlog this ever since nung sarado pa siya. But yeah, I have, parang nakapag-time na ako. I think they recently opened mga, ang daming tao. They recently opened sa Bacolod. Dito pala ako order. Order po. Ay, doon pala. So, this is where you order. And then, this is inside the mushroom. And then, we can pay lang. Order here. And then, I want the butterscotch latte. And then, dark roast. And then, iced. And then, I want to try this in almond milk. Tapos, add on hollow cream, wala na. Add to order. Tapos, I want this and ito yung isang gusto ni Con. So, ito ipapatry ko kay JC. Peanut butter latte. Dark roast. Iced. Bibigyan ko siya ng almond. Ay, dairy na lang siya. Ayun lang. Add to order. Tapos, view cart. Total. Tapos, automatic siya. Beside, mag-generate na something code for me to tap my card. Baby girl, tawag ka na ba? So, I'm here with JC. And then, I don't think he has tried Harlan before. I'm forcing him to try right now. Saan ba ako magta-tap? Here? Yay! Okay. Ayun lang siya. And then, we'll just wait for our order. Order number 20. Thank you. Ay, sorry. Hello. So, I think makaka-copyright ako dito, but hopefully not. And then, usually, ang concept dapat ng Harlan is somewhere where you can order to go. They don't encourage, actually, ang concept ng Harlan talaga mainly is for it to be a grab-and-go type of situation. But, they make super beautiful branches na to the point na people tend to just stay. Kaya right now, this branch has tables. Kasi it's really a beautiful branch. It's like a mushroom inside. Kaso yung mushroom na from the outside is ugly. So, we're just waiting for our drink right now. Hi! Thank you! And yeah, I think makaka-copyright ako. Wag naman sana, Harlan. Medyo malakas yung music dito. Bagong branch kasi siya. Tatanong natin kung kailan sila nagbukas. But, yeah. So, that's where I'm gonna wait for my order. Ayan lang siya. So, again, yung concept ng Harlan and Holden is grab and go. So, you have to be aware where you're gonna order. May self-order stations. Pero meron namang person doon na will guide you, like yung kanina, on how you will do your orders. But for me, kasi aware na ako, pero kahit aware na ako, it was my first time doing the orders by myself kasi I'm usually with Con. And then, ayun, so they have ice cream pala. You want ice cream?
Gusto ko ng soft serve.
Oo nga, mag-soft serve tayo. Sige. Let's order the soft serve afterwards. And then, ayun na nga. I-tour ko lang very mabilisan while very mabilisan lang. Itutour ko lang yung place para makita nyo siya with me kasi it's my first time here inside. But it's basically, yun na lang. I think that's it na eh. Nakita nyo siya eh. Ano yung mga pastries. Oh, may small area. What is this? It's just that one area lang. Ooh, okay. It's a mushroom here. Cute. And then nakita nyo naman na siya from the outside. Hindi ko pa Hindi ko pa drink yan. 19 pa ako na yung next. So, pakita ko lang mabilis yung outside para masama siya sa 10 minutes. Para masama siya sa 10 minutes. Ayan siya from the outside. It's really like a mushroom, pero ugly yung mushroom niya from the outside. So, ayan lang siya. Oh, they have chairs outside too. It's cute. Okay, and then lusutan pala yung mga ano niya. Oh, they also have an entrance here. She's cute. Oh, Los Tacos. I'm easily distracted, but yeah, that's Los Tacos. I push. Okay. Okay. So I ordered the top two best favorites, Nikon. Oh, yeah, okay. Nikon, so yeah, we're ordering it. Hala, mahaba na yung video ko, tapos wala pa yung drink ko. Naka-blue ka pala. So yeah, I kind of dragged JC into my eksena. He's really not into coffee. I mean, my favorite coffee shop, pero not Harlan. Sana magustuhan niyo yung papatry ko sa kanya. And then makikita niyo yung reaction niya. As usual, dun sa aking vlog. Mga ilang videos na take mo dun sa phone mo? Konti lang. 6. Thank you. So, yan. Sobrang daming tao. And then that's Uptown right across. What building is this ba?
Not sure.
Let's see. So, we are at the Uptown North Bonifacio Fort. Anong building ba to? 9th Avenue corner. Ayan siya eh. So, yung in-order ko, ayan yung mga presyo niya. Butterscotch, 175. So, it's ice. So, magiging 15 siya for ice. I had almond milk for mine. And then yung kay JC, wala ng almond milk. Normal lang. So, and lang yan ang total ng for both the drinks. And then I think we're next na kasi we're number 20. And yeah, it's very rare na you see a Harlan na may maraming chairs kasi hindi yun yung goal nila. Dapat sila, dapat dapat you grab and go. I think may app din sila eh. Feeling ko may app sila but wala akong na-download pa na app of theirs. And then, ayan lang yung mga workers. Yeah. Ang ganda ng Uptown from here. Sobrang ganda ng Uptown from here.
That's Uptown Mall.
I mean, ang ganda ng Uptown from here.
Hindi ko kasi agad narinig eh.
So that's our new store. Big vlog there. Yung Starbucks na guys na yan. Ito may Starbucks. Anong initial reaction mo sa store? Yung actual store?
Initial reaction ko sa...
Ito. Sa interior niya.
So-so, pero... Hindi naman ako architect.
Hindi yung personal opinion.
Hindi, architect, expert, or engineering. I just see some inconsistencies dun sa may... dun sa may glass area, dun sa may panel. Parang hindi napalitada ng maayos.
Oh, yeah. I noticed that too. I agree with JC.
Yung hangganan niya. Eh kasi parang ata siya, parang pa ganun yung style eh, parang pa ganun eh. So syempre baka nahirapan din sila.
Baka naka-soft opening pa sila.
Naka-soft opening pa ba sila?
Feeling ko baka iaano pa nila yun.
So baka iba siya, oh my God. Hindi naman ako, ito na siya, 20.
May app ba kayo? They have an app and then okay, thank you. That's yours.
Thank you. Oh, ang cute nga niya. Alam mo, may Harlan dun sa may Bonifacio Sa food district. Or was it because coffee? Ay, hindi. Mali ata ako because coffee ata yun.
Okay, okay.